toate se dispune mai lumini. O vie mai mult gluma, mai discutani și vorbi.
Sometimes you need help for undressing.
It's a Bible place. It's a Bible place. Mai lumina se cade, o vai babungra. Mai lumina se cade, o vai babungra.
So, Vaso, please can. Okay. So in the front you can see the, let's say, sentence that we use on most of our camps. So it's step into the adventure, just translated to Macedonian. So it says step into the adventure in Kruševo. On the back you can see the name of this jamboree, and I think the most special part of our uniform for this jamboree are, please, drum rolls. We made socks with the greetings of our scouts. So we say, I think in the same way that you do here in Macedonia, we say Zdravo. So can I hear one Zdravo from you? Zdravo! Okay, and now I want you all to give a big round of applause to encourage these guys to make the best runway show you ever seen.
Equinox from Macedonia.
Did they pick up all the scarves from the camp?
Yes.
We're going to show you the Bulgarian uniforms. She has her beautiful blue hoodie and her beautiful blue t-shirt.
Her name is Victoria, but not Victoria's Secret. Her uniform is blue, but nothing like her eyes. They're mostly green.
She does have a boyfriend though.
Sorry, y'all.
We're sorry.
This is Teddy. This is Teddy, but not Teddy Bear.
She has a purplish uniform, which consists again of a hoodie and a t-shirt.
Teddy, do a swirl for us, please. And this here is our green uniform. They are green for all the sitting on this grass tonight.
Yeah, the grass made us very green. Again, like the money is, because we are very rich in Bulgaria.
That's all from us, guys.
Hope you like it. If you didn't, sounds like a skill issue. Now we're going to sing you a song.
Next up are the ones already standing here. Israel!
With my nickname.
And we also
What's your nickname?
made a pouch,
Azriel.
Azriel.
a fairy pen
Mine is Salem.
Salem.
with cow symbol of Macedonia and Israel on the. And we also and the pins. So yeah, and the stuff.
אני יכול לתרגם?
We, all the Israel group, are thanking you to ask us to come to this great generation in Macedonia, this great camp. Thank you very much.
Okay, and we wanted to show you a uniform. That's it. And we have every grade has a tie, different tie. And everyone wears the same uniform with different
Decoration.
with different decoration, and every decoration means something. That's the fourth grade, the first year in the Scouts, and that's the year when you become a guide and a leader. And well, that's it. Everything else is personal.
The boys in the scouting Israeli.
Yeah, next group we're gonna say to turn. Oh, I'm taking.
Alright, you see me.
Okay, and one last thing. So to say like good night, I don't know if we are the last, but yeah. In Hebrew, you say Laila Tov. Okay? Okay? Let's say all together. 1, 2, Laila Tov! Hey!
The following contingent is the Cercetashi from Romania.
These are my bodyguards. They are wearing the Romanian Scout uniform. And now we'd like to present you our really famous, our King of Trades!
And shout and let it all out, and scream and shout and let it out. We saying oh, we oh, we oh, we oh. We saying oh, we oh, we oh, we oh. I wanna scream and shout and let it all out, and scream and shout and let it out. We saying oh, we oh, we oh, we oh.
You are now rocking with Will I Am in. Action.
Rock and roll, everybody let's lose control. All the we let it go. Come on, fast, we going slow. Can we let's hit the flow.
Mulțumesc!
Let's let it blow, blow, blow. Rock it out, rock it now. If you know what we talking about, turn it up and burn down the house.
Alo?
Salut!
Sunt eu, un haiduc și te rog, iubirea mea, primește fericirea.
Alo, alo, sunt eu, Picasso, ți-am dat beat și sunt voinic, dar să știi, nu-ți cer nimic. Vrei să pleci, dar numai ei, numai ei, numai ei, chipul tău și drama slării mi-amintești de ochii tăi. Vrei să pleci, dar numai ei, numai ei, numai ei, chipul tău și dragostea din tăi mi-amintești de ochii tăi.
Te sun, să-ți spun ce simt acum. Alo? Iubirea mea, sunt eu, fericirea. Alo? Alo? Sunt eu.
I think there's nobody that doesn't know this song from Romania. Someone lost their phone. And now it's turn from four. Sidra!
So our scout group name is named Sidro, which in English means anchor. And as you all know, the anchors go really deep in the water. That's why on the back of our t-shirts it says from the depth to the heights.
We're gonna see Friends. Yours. The stage is yours.
Qui dit études, dit travail, qui dit taf, te dit les thunes, qui dit argent, dit dépenses, qui dit crédit, dit créance, qui dit dette, te dit passé, qui dit assis dans la merde, qui dit amour, dit les gosses, dit toujours et dit divorce, qui dit proche, te dit deuil, car les problèmes ne viennent pas seuls, qui dit crise, te dit monde, qui dit famille, dit tiers-monde, et qui dit fatigue, dit réveil, encore sourd de la veille, allons ensemble pour oublier tous les problèmes. Alors on danse. 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 Alors on danse.
You dance!
Et là tu dis que c'est fini, car pire que ça ce serait la mort. Quand tu crois enfin que tu t'en sors, quand il y en a plus, il y en a encore.
Thank you, pajamas, sweaters, and everything else. Made in France. And now we're gonna have the whole contingent from Switzerland.
Also, ich stelle mich kurz vor Schweizerdeutsch. Ihr werdet mich alle nicht verstehen. Ich bin Alicia, ich bin aus der Schweiz. And I'm gonna show you our uniform. So we start with the most important thing, which would be the Swiss cross over the breast. Then you have like your country, your region, and your scout group. And the coolest feature we got is actually our bag. Like every camp we take, you get one badge or just like a liner with the motto and the gear and stuff like that.
For a good night, we're gonna have Spain with Macarena and everyone else. Join the stage. Everyone, join.
Dale tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale tu cuerpo alegría Macarena. Dale tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale tu cuerpo alegría Macarena.
Now don't you worry about my boyfriend, the boy whose name is Vitorino. I don't want him, couldn't stand him, he was no good so high. Now, come on, what was I supposed to do? He was out of town, and his two friends were so fine.
Dale tu cuerpo alegría Macarena, que tu cuerpo para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale tu cuerpo alegría Macarena.